1996. Look at this, it's beautiful. I love it.
What do you think?
Incredible.
My man!
There's your cameraman.
Pleasure meeting you. I wanted to build a truck for Raising Cane's for a long time, and this man made it happen right here.
Good to see you,
What's
man.
up, buddy?
And that he did. This is gorgeous.
Well, thank you.
Gorgeous.
This man, AJ, I have never met somebody that has as much passion for their brand as I do mine, and you got a perfect guy working with you, man.
Oh,
It's
do
just-
I ever, man. He is our fearless leader.
Yes, he is, he is.
And it's so Cane's is special to us. This is an expression of us, right? I have wanted a food truck for years. But to have this happen and have it to be a surprise, and for me to get to see it for my first time just come up like this, it is absolutely beautiful.
And for your 25th anniversary, I'll tell you what, everything is fully custom, made for y'all, designed by your team. When I saw it, I thought it was a spaceship, and I said, AJ, you're crazy, but I'm gonna build it and tell this world.
I love it.
Not only did AJ order one truck for Raising Cane's, 2 weeks ago he popped another truck on us. We're about to blow Todd's mind.
Now, here's your truck with
There's your mothership.
That is the mothership. Oh my goodness, look at this.
This is the Caniac of all food trucks. This is it.
Over the top.
So you said you wanted a big truck. Here's your big truck right here.
This is incredible.
It's
This is
all
over the
this-
top.
This did not miss any of the details you wanted. You want the neon sign up there.
Yeah.
The disco ball.
Oh, you got a chicken finger Leon,
Yes.
man. Look at that.